Afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the additional of the weekend edition of Sunday, June the 15th, June the 16th, 2024. It's today actually Sunday, and I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars Sudoku, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku, and in the evening, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. This will take me more than an hour, but let me first continue with this puzzle. Jigsaw Sudoku number 8731. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. Double those numbers. Yeah, 16. But it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here duo boxes? Contains the 1 and 2. I see here only one duo box. The 1 and the 2, well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? No triple boxes here. How about quarter boxes? I see here 1 quarter box. Well, cannot fill those numbers. Insufficient information right now. More quarter boxes? Nope. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the Z construction. Let me draw the Z construction here. When you see the Z construction, remember, by the way, if you flip this or mirror this, you will get the S construction. It's the same shape. When you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The Z construction. Do we have more? No, only one. Z construction. Then the following shape. How about... Oh, no. Here we have a S construction. If you rotate this to the right side, you will get the S is the same as the Z. When you see the S construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. Alright. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope. Only one. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope. Only one of these kind of shapes. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, it's mirrored. This box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one L shape. Then the following shape, the last shape, I believe the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes, surround 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes. Surround 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Interesting. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. No 1 there. Alright. This box can be a 1. That box can be 1. We have a double 1 there. And this box can be 1. We have a double 1 over here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 4. And 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. This box can be 4, but also those 2 boxes can be a 4. So round 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 3. So the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 1. And 2, we have a 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box. Should be so 2. Is also connected with this box. Should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 4. Alright. Then, these 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3. And 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 3 goes there. Alright, and now, these 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. Alright. This box can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, but also this box can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. So the 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes, surround 4 can be 4. That box can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. 3 and 5, we have 3 now, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. 4 numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and a 2. 1 and 2. We have 1 there. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. 1 and 2. We have 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5. Because it can be 1. Can be 2. Can be 3. Can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5 is connected with that box. Should be also 5. 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 and 3, 2 and 3. This box can be 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left for 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. Should be so 2. Is also connected with this box. Should be also a 2. Two numbers left in this area. From was 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 and 3. We have 3 now. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes at there. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 could be here. Could be there. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here. Could be there. Let me think. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be 2. So one box left with 2 in this area. It's supposed to be here. This box can be 4. We have a double 4 there. This box can be 4. We have a 4 here. So one box left with 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area. One was 3 and 5. Let me mark those. Okay. These two boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Come on. Well. Okay. 1, 2, 4, 3 and 5. 1, 2, 4, 3 and 5. Come on. Overlook something. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 and more. That box should be a 4. And if eliminated here the 1, so the 1 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Let me mark those. Is connected with that box, so 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 3, 5 and a 2. Okay. Interesting. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2. Can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. Can be 4 and can be 5. We have a 5 here in the same area, so definitely a 1 here. 2 numbers left in this area from us 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, so we also a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. Well, I cannot place the 1 there. We have a double 1 there, so the 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. This box can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be 5, so the 5 goes together with the 3 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for the number 4. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. We have a double 3 there. Should be a 4, can be 5. We have a double 5 there. Okay. Then I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be 1. And if we eliminated there the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Okay. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Well, 1, 3, or a 5. Well, I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3 or a 5. We have a double 3 there, double 5 there, and we have a 4 here. Yes, definitely 2. So these two numbers should be 3 and a 5. Okay. But why can I not fill this yet? 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. Overlook this 3. Now we have 3 there, so this box should be a 5. Is connected with that box should be also 5. 1 box left in this area for number 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 3. 3 on the 3 and a 5. We have 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. And a 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. 2 stars. No, let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. The fix. So thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in the evening with the Samurai Sudoku. So have a great and fantastic Sunday until then. Bye bye for now.